Hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation on transformation and data integrity fundamentals. My name is Akash Patel, and in this presentation, I will discuss why data quality is important and how organizations prepare information before using it for analytics and machine learning. So today, business collect huge amount of information from websites, mobile application databases, and many other resources. However, raw information is not always perfect. It may contain errors, missing values, duplicate records, and inconsistent formats. Because of this, organizations spend significant time preparing and improving data quality before making business decisions or building machine learning models. Throughout this presentation, I will learn about data transformation, data integrity, data cleaning, missing value, duplicate data, outliner, and how these concepts help organization make better decisions. So let's get started. So before we begin, let's review the learning objective for this presentation. So by the end of this presentation, we will understand what data transformation is and why organization prepare information before using it for analysis. We will learn about data integrity and understand why accurate and reliable information is important for business operations and decision making. We will identify common data quality issues such as missing value, duplicate records, and outliners. We will also understand how data cleaning improves information quality and help organization create more reliable report and analytics. Finally, we will see why data preparation is such a important step before analytics and machine learning activities begin. This objective will guide us throughout the presentation. So, before discussing transformation and data integrity, we first need to understand why data quality is so important. Organizations collect information every day from many different sources. This may include websites, mobile applications, business systems, and customer data sets, databases, sensors, and online transactions. Business decisions are often based on this information. If the information is incorrect or incomplete, organizations may make poor decisions that affect operations, customers, and profitability. Data quality influences many areas of businesses, including customer service, financial reporting, analytics, forecasting, and machine learning. For example, if customer information contain errors, a company may spend products to the wrong address or fail to understand customer preferences correctly. Accurate information help organization identify trends, understand customer behavior, and improve business performance. On the other hand, missing information, duplicate records, or incorrect value can reduce trust in the reports and analytics results. This is why high quality data is considered the foundation of successful business decision making and machine learning projects. Let's move to the next slides. So now let's talk about data transformation. Data transformation is the process of converting raw information into a format that is easier to understand, analyze, and use. Organizations often collect information from many different systems. These systems may store data using different formats, structures, or naming convenience. For example, one system may store data as a month, day, and year, while another system store data differently before analysis can begin. The information must be standardized. Data transformation help make information consistent across different systems and applications. Organizations commonly perform data transformation before creating reports, conducting analytics, or training machine learning models. This process improve data quality and make information more useful for business decision making. In simple terms, data transformation help turn raw information into organized information that can provide meaningful insights. Let's move to the next slides. So let's discuss about data integrity. So data integrity refers to the accuracy, consistency, reliability, and completeness of information throughout its entire life cycle. Organizations rely on accurate information every day to support business operations, customer service, reporting, and decision making. Poor data integrity can occur when information is entered incorrectly, modified accidentally, or stored differently across multiple systems. For example, if when customer's name is spelled differently in two data sets, it can create confusion and reporting problems. Maintaining storage data integrity help ensure that information remain trustworthy and reliable over time. Organization with strong data integrity practice often produce more accurate reports and make better business decisions. In the simple word, data integrity means making sure that information remain correct and consistent and dependable whenever it is needed. Let's move to the next slide. So now let's discuss data cleaning, which is one of the most important activity in any data projects. Data cleaning is the process of identifying and correcting data errors, inconsistency, and unnecessary information before data is used for analysis. In the real world, information is rarely perfect. Data collected from website applications, databases, and form often contain mistakes that can affect results. For example, some records may contain missing value, while other may have incorrect information, duplicate entries, or formatting problem. Organization perform data cleaning to improve data quality and make sure the information is reliable enough for reporting and decision making. Clean data help reduce error in dashboards, reports, analytic systems, and machine learning models. Although data cleaning can take a significant amount of time, it is often worth the effort because better data usually leads to better business insights. You can think of data cleaning like cleaning a room before inviting guests. A clean and organized environment make everything easier to find and use. The same idea applies to data. Let's move to the next slide. So now let's talk about missing data. Missing data occurs when content information is unavailable or was never collected during the data collection process. This is one of the most common data quality issues that organization faces. Missing value can appears in many situations. For example, a customer may create an online account but decide not to provide a phone number, address, or date of birth. As a result, some field is in the database remain empty. At first, few missing value may not seem like a big problem. However, when large amount of information are missing, reports and analytics results can become less accurate. For example, imagine a company wants to analyze customer locations, but thousands of customers record are missing address information. The analysis may not accurate represent the customer population. Organization often review missing data and decide how to handle it. Sometimes incomplete records are removed, while in other situations, missing value may be replaced using appropriate methods. So properly managing missing information help provide improve data quality and supports more reliable decision making. Let's the next slides. So let's discuss about duplicate data. Duplicate data occurs when the same information appears more than once within a data set. This often happens when information is collected from multiple systems or when user accidentally submit the same information multiple times. For example, a customer may create two accounts using the same email address and personal information. As a result, the database contain duplicate records for the same person. Duplicate data can create several problems. First, it can increase storage requirements because unnecessary copies of information are being stored. Second, duplicate record can make a report inaccurate because the same customer product or transactions may be counted multiple times. Imagine a company trying to determine how many customers it has. If duplicate record exists, the company may incorrectly believe it have more customer than it actually does. Organizations use data cleaning techniques to identify and remove duplicate record while uh, preserving accurate information. Removing duplicate data improve reporting accuracy and provide a more reliable view of business operations. Let's move to the next slides. So another important concept is data quality in outliner. Outliners are value that are significantly different from most of the other information in a dataset. Sometimes outliners represent real events, while other times they may uh, indicate error in data collections or data entry. For example, imagine the most customers spend between 50 and $500 during a purchase. If one transaction suddenly saw $50,000, that value would be considered an outliner. Organization cannot simply remove every outliner because some unusual value may actually represent legitimate business activity. Instead, they carefully investigate outliner to determine whatever they are valid or the result of an error. Outliner can have a major impact on report analytics results and machine learning models because they may influence his calculation and uh, predictions. Properly identifying and managing outliners help organization improve data quality and avoid misleading conclusion. Understanding outliners is an important part of preparing information for analytics and machine learning projects. Let's move to the next slides. Let's bring all this concept together with the real world example. Imaging a retail company that collects customer information from its website, mobile application, and in-store registration system. Over time, this company begins to notice several data quality problems. Some customers' records are missing phone numbers and address. Other customers accidentally create a multiple accounts, resulting in duplicate records. The company also noticed that customer information is sometimes entered using different formats and spellings, making it difficult to analyze consistently. In addition, a few purchase records appear much larger than normal customer transactions. These unusual records may be outliners that required further investigation. Before creating business reports or training machine learning models, the company performed data cleaning to improve information quality. Missing value are reviewed, duplicate records are removed, formatting issues are corrected, and unusual transactions are validated. After improving data quality, the company is able to generate more accurate reports, gain better insights into customer behavior, and make more informed business decisions. This example demonstrate why transformation, data integrity, and data cleaning are so important in a real world business environments. Let's move to the next slide. Let's discuss about the benefit of transformation and data integrity. One major benefit of data transformation is that it helps organization convert raw information into a structured format that is easier to understand and analyze. When information is organized properly, business teams are create more accurate report and make better decisions based on reliable data. Another important benefit is improved data quality, clean and consistent information, reduce error that might affect dashboards and analytic systems and machine learning models. Organization can also improve customers' experience when information is accurate and easy to access. For example, correct customer information help business provide better service and communication. Strong data integrity help organizations build trust in their information. Managers and decision makers can feel more confident when they know their reports are based on accurate data. Better data quality often leads to better business insights, improve efficiency, and more successful projects because organizations spend less time fixing error and more time using information effectively. So overall, data transformation and data integrity are essential component of modern data-driven organizations. So let's discuss why data preparation is so important before analytics and machine learning projects begin. Before organization analyze information or train machine learning models, the data must first be reviewed and prepared carefully. Raw information often contain missing value, duplicate record, formatting differences, and unusual entries that can affect results. If these problems are not corrected, uh, analytics reports may become unreliable and machine learning models may produce inaccurate predictions. Data preparations help ensure that information is accurate, consistent, complete, and ready for analysis. Many organizations spend a significant amount of time preparing and validating information because they understand how important data quality is to project success. Well prepared data allows analytics uh, and data scientists to focus on finding useful insights instead of spending time fixing data problems. In many machine learning projects, data preparation is considered one of the most important steps because model performance depend heavily on data quality. A common saying in data science is garbage in, garbage out, which means poor quality data usually produce poor quality results. Let's move to the next slides. So before we conclude, let's review the key concept from this presentation. First, we learned the data transformation help convert raw information into the format that is easier to use, analyze, and understand. Second, we discussed data integrity, which focus on maintaining accurate, reliable, and consistent information throughout its life cycle. We also explored several common data quality issues, including missing value, duplicate records, incorrect entities, and outliers. Next, we learn about data cleaning and how organizations use it to improve information quality and reduce error in reporting and analytics. We saw the high quality data supports better decision making and improve data performance of machine learning systems. Finally, we learned that data preparation is a crucial step before analytics, reporting, and machine learning activities begin. This concept form that the foundation of effective data management and successful machine learning projects. So, this brings us the end of the presentation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation on data transformation and data integrity foundation fundamentals. Throughout this presentation, we explored the importance of data quality and learned how organization prepared information before using it for analytic and machine learning. We discussed data transformation, data integrity, data cleaning missing value, duplicate record, and outliner. We also examine how this concept help organization make more reliable and informed business decisions. I hope this presentation help explain these topics in a simple and easy to understand way to provide a better understanding of how data quality affects modern business operations. My name is Akash Patel, and this presentation is a part of my AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineering learning journey at Concordia University, Chicago. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to my professor, Dr. Victor Govindaswamy, for his continuous guidance, encouragement, and support throughout this learning experience. His dedication to helping students strengthen practical technology skills and industry knowledge has been extremely valuable and continues to inspire learning growth and professional development. Thank you again for watching and have a wonderful day.